guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, today is going to be a re-braiding video. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. I know my hair looks pretty crazy right now and all over my head. I've already started re-braiding the back of my head. Let me see if I can show you guys the back of my head. Not really, just a little bit, but I mean, you guys can see the length difference in it, hopefully. But I'm re-braiding my hair. I just wanted to jump in here and give you guys an intro really quick, show you guys what I've been using. Obviously towards the middle of the video, I am going to show you guys what I'm actually doing, but right now I'm just going to explain to you guys what I'm using and what I'm doing in my hair. So what I'm using to re-braid my hair has been my own DIY leave-in conditioner spray. This is a shea butter based leave-in conditioner spray. It is formulated with water and immersed for it to be a water-based product, and I have to say that because I know a lot of my products didn't have water in it, because I strongly suggested staying away from water, but my hair absolutely needs water now for some reason, especially when I'm putting in my protective styles. I have switched my protective style up from the kinky twist to them being actual mini braids now, and for me, if you guys been here for a long time, these are kind of like medium-sized braids. They're not necessarily mini braids to me, because my mini braids are a lot smaller than this. But I have switched from the kinky twist to the braids because the twisted part just started getting real hectic to take down. It became a task to take it down from it either locking or the single strand knots that I was getting on the ends of my hair. And just knowing that I would rather have healthier hair and put in braids than not have healthier ends and keep putting in twists, knowing because it's faster. But I put my braids in probably like June 1st or the end of May. Today is July 7th, 2023. So I put the braids in after I cut all of my twist off. When I had to retwist my hair, I decided not to retwist it, and I decided to put braids in my hair. So this is the first time that I'm re-braiding my hair. So what I've noticed to get that hardcore braid print out of my hair, to have a clean, cute looking braid again when I re-braid that same braid, and like I said, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, but I have to spray a liquid on my hair and then put that, moisturize my hair, work it in really well to get that braid pattern out of my hair, and then I can go in immediately, braid my hair all the way down, and then I can actually spray just a little bit more of my leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair, finger coil it so that it's not all flyaway looking on the end of it, but it's not shrinking up as bad because my hair is not super drenched. And then by the time I get done with all of my hair, I am gonna go in at the end, oil my scalp with my DIY oil. Like I keep telling you guys, this oil should already be on sale now when you see this video. Hopefully I most definitely launched, because I want to launch in July, and I'm praying to God that I actually did it. It's July 7th right now. I'm praying to God that I actually went through with it. But this should be on sale, you guys. I can't really talk about it too much or show you guys the bottle, because I'm scared that what if I didn't do it? But I think I did it. I think I did it. Girl, you better do it. Jesus, please let me have did it. I pray to God I launched. But that oil should be on sale, and if it's not, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Like, it should be on sale. Okay, so yeah, guys, I am re-braiding my hair right now, but I am going to follow up with my DIY oil that should be on sale, and I'm putting that on my scalp and down the length of my hair, and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. So I'm gonna come back off in here when I probably got like 4 of these braids. This is how much hair has grown out. Probably like a 1/2 inch of hair has grown. I think you guys can see that there is a lot of growth. And then I do a length check with all of my braids after I get done showing you guys what it looks like before, like the before and after. But I'll come back off in here and talk to you guys a little bit more. But I just most definitely wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like, what I'm doing different, and what I'm using. And then I also might put a little bit of my DIY jelly clustered on the ends of my hair just to help them curl up a little bit better. And I might give a little snip to some of the ends that look like they're not wanting to curl up, or may look like I missed a couple of spots when I was cutting my hair. So I am going to do that, but I'll show you guys all of that on video if I decide to do it. And you guys just stay tuned for the re-braid.